Interesting markets in front of the jobs number. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, December the 1st, the last month of the year. Basically, 2 weeks from tomorrow, the trading year will be over for most traders. And, after yesterday's rip your nuts face off rally, we have a market that is now selling off after being much higher. The markets have now pushed lower and are down across, well, actually, yes, the Russell's still higher, but down across the board, basically. And it looks like it could get fairly ugly, but I would not expect that. I would expect to be fairly flat going into what I think is probably a pretty big jobs number based on the information we got this week from the moron at the Federal Reserve. And I think that we will continue to see some action, and I think the jobs number is the next big key. We did have ISM manufacturing, which I have no idea what the number was. I don't really care, but it pushed markets first higher, and now they're lower. Okay. In the meantime, as I said, the indexes are down across the board, but I think they're going to waffle. I think they'll probably cross the unchanged line hundreds of times today. In the crude market, crude continues to go higher. We're still short, which kind of sucks, but it continued to rush up higher. Gold and silver are exploding. Gold's up $55, and we're long both gold and silver. The bonds and notes were long, and they're charging higher as well. And again, I think they're wrong. Again, I don't believe that the Fed can stop. And I'm not telling you to get in front of it because I'm long, but I'm telling you that I think that we're going to make a lot of money to the short side when reality finally hits the market. The euro currency is higher, up and sharply, and the dollar is down sharply. And of course, we are long euros and short dollars, so that's always a good spot to be in. And as we look across the board at a few of the other things, you've got Bitcoin, which is a little bit lower. We're still short, but a little nice move off of that 15,000, now almost 17,000. The copper is higher, which we're short. Nat gas is higher, which we're long. In the grain markets, they're down across the board. But again, if you looked at yesterday's equity rally, okay, I expect that and more in the grain markets. Okay, the fact of the matter is that I expect to see a short squeeze followed by an explosion into a big market into probably the first quarter of 2023. In the grain markets, there's somebody trying to hold these things lower, and there's a shortage. So we're going to see, but I could be wrong. Again, there's no guarantee. Right now, we're long corn, long beans, and short wheat. In the meats, flat across the board. Okay, and we're short hogs, long cattle. Okay, in softs, cocoa is higher, we're short. Cotton is higher, we're long. Sugar is lower, we're long. OJ is lower, we're short. Coffee is lower, and we're long. So again, the big picture here is there's not much going on. The big picture here is I'm going to play golf after this. Okay, I got my golf gear on. I'm ready to go because there's not much to do. Tomorrow morning, we might start to see the market start to break loose and then going into the next couple of weeks. So we'll see what it looks like. In the meantime, we got football tonight. Buffalo -3.5 over the Patriots is who we're taking. And again, don't forget our sponsor. And Vegas starts Monday night. Okay, or for live streamers, it starts on Tuesday morning. And that is, you get a discount if you have an account or open an account with Trade Your Brokerage, who is sponsoring our event. And don't forget about our other brokerage partner, Capital Trading Group. Now, I have many brokers, but those are the two that I prefer. They do the best job for what I want to get done. And our high school program. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Hopefully, I'll break 100 today, and I used to shoot in the low 80s. So we'll see what happens. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.